Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. We have an absolutely stellar top-of-the-line Pontiac to tell you all about here in just a minute. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, the home to close to 100 classic and collectible vehicles of every variety for every taste. Take a look at our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com for the latest arrivals, specials, and all the cars we currently have in inventory. And new stuff is coming in all the time. And I have a very special car today. We have a Star Chief 56 Pontiac Convertible. I'll tell you what, this is a body off, totally restored car to the nth degree. I don't think they looked this good in 1956, if you want to know the truth. Pontiacs are always pretty special because, they had this double stripe that went down the hood. You could always, when you seen a car coming down the road and you seen the double stripe on it, you knew that's probably a Pontiac. The other really cool thing about this thing, it's got the light up hood ornament. I'll tell you, that's a cat's meow as far as I'm concerned. That is just one of the coolest things that they ever did for these old cars. And so that one, it works, and you pull the lights on, you can certainly see the car come down the road and you can guess, oh, that's gotta be something that I might know. So anyway, just getting back to the car, never mind me, I sometimes wander off on stuff. But this car is done to the nth degree, you know, the 317 V8. It was a top of the line for Pontiac. It's got power steering. I mean, it's got all kinds of extras, power windows. It's got the dual mirrors, the upgraded wire hubcaps, full hubcaps, and the correct wide white walls, of course, for 1956, which was something that was really special. So you have to watch the entire walk around of the car, engine start, whatever, from start to finish, because there's always good stuff in there that'll help you follow through with seeing all the details of this absolutely pristine car that we have here. You can find all our stuff also on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Give us a like, leave us a comment, join or subscribe, because it's always got some interesting cars that we currently have and stuff we've had in the past as well. So if you were looking for absolutely, every aspect of this car is just wonderfully done. The attention to detail is just incredible. The dash is perfect. The steering wheel is immaculate, beautiful, correct red and ivory interior, white boot, power top, of course, and it even has a Continental Kit. As I said, it's absolutely one of those really, really pristine cars. Take a look at the underside. I mean, it is immaculate.